Nature inspires me because it's so beautiful and there's so many things to see.
Nature inspires me to make a change in the community that will help everyone.
It is important to protect nature because it provides us with natural resources.
I think it's pretty cool how a bunch of creatures can live in harmony in just one place.
I think it's important to protect nature because there's so many factors that are harming nature.
Nature inspires me because it just is. It's always there and it's always flowing.